hello again. Now I want to show you how I make jalapeno cheddar cornbread. And this is very important. And how you get it ready to use is even more important. So I'm going to show you that now. First thing I want to do is use something that a lot of people don't use. They're scared of because they've been told that it's terrible, terrible, terrible. But it's really wonderful, wonderful, wonderful for making cornbread. So I'm going to coat my pan in lard. I mean, it's going to look like it's been iced with lard. And I'll show you that when I come back. Yes, y'all, I'm using my hands. They're very clean. This is so important. And that's just my canner beeping over there, y'all. Just ignore it. It's telling me the canning process is finished. You see what I mean? I told you it's gonna look like it's kind of iced with lard, but this is important. Now this is some older lard, so it's getting a little bit lumpy, but lard does not go bad, y'all. Ignore that date that's on the side of it. If it's not kept in the right conditions, it can sour, or I don't know that sour is right, but it can go bad. But this is kept in the right conditions, and it's good. Okay, now mind you, my pan is cold. My oven is cold. I'm going to put a little oil in on top of this lard and go stick it in my 425 degree preheating oven. And then I will come back and show you the mixing process. There we go. You see I've got a little bit of oil in on top of that lard. I'm going to put this in the oven and start preheating it at 425 degrees. And I'm not going to pour my cornbread mixture in this pan until it is sizzling, smoking hot, and the oven cuts off from preheating. Now, while that pan is heating up, I am going to show you I have 2 cups of white lily. That's the only thing I use is white lily cornmeal mix. 2 cups. 1.5 cups of whole cultured buttermilk. None of that reduced fat stuff, y'all. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1 of my eggs that my little chickies laid. It's actually a very large egg. 3/4 to a cup of chopped up, shredded cheddar cheese. 1/4 cup of chopped up pickled jalapenos. Now you can use more, or you can use less, or you can use none in this recipe. But it won't be jalapeno cornbread if you don't put some in there. So, you choose your hot. Now, we're going to go ahead and mix this up while we wait on that pan. Okay, so you see, I have my cornmeal mix. I'm going to go ahead and add that oil. I'm going to add my egg. Now I'm going to add all this buttermilk. I want to get it all out of there. Just gonna mix that up really well. Add in my cheddar cheese a little at a time, so that it doesn't all clump together. We're also going to go ahead and add in all of the little jalapenos and all their little bit of juice that's in there, because that just adds to the flavor. That's why I like using the pickled jalapenos, because I like getting that vinegar, hot vinegar, just that little bit of extra juice in there makes a huge difference. And I have been known to pour a little bit of the juice off of the jalapeno peppers in as well. There you go. Let's see, it's all well mixed in. No lumps except for the cheese and the jalapenos. So now, I'm just going to cover this up and wait for the oven to get fully heated. And then we'll move forward from there. See you shortly. Okay, so I think it's time. Oh yeah, that's what we want to hear, y'all. If it don't make that sound, that's not good. I'm putting it in the middle of the middle rack in the oven at 425. Gonna leave it for about 20 minutes, give or take a little bit, we'll see. I'll come back when it's done. So, as you can see, it's all nice and golden brown. Now, drum roll please. Ta-da! Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you very much, Lord. Ooh, it's very hot, y'all. Well, I've really enjoyed making this cornbread for y'all today, and I hope you will try it. I know you're gonna like it.